Scan data can be converted to convergent modeling, which will work for downstream applications such as simulation, manufacturing, and inspection. It's all part of the integrated workflow. So some key benefits of NX reverse engineering and convergent modeling include end-to-end workflow supporting scan data all the way through design and manufacturing. Also, convergent modeling allows you to work directly on scan data. It also has a full suite of reverse engineering tools and workflows to finish your design. I will now perform a live demonstration. With reverse engineering, we can take faceted data and transform it back into a BREP model. With convergent modeling, we can make direct changes to faceted data, and with validation, we will ensure that everything is done correctly. So here's my first demonstration. We're going to use reverse engineering, convergent modeling, and validation to improve the surface quality for downstream applications. There's poor surface quality here, creating downstream issues. We're going to solve those downstream issues by creating good surface quality. So for this first demonstration, we are going to go over surfacing using convergent modeling. I have my part here. Let's run some analysis tools, starting with reflection. Select this top face. You can see that it's very rigid, not very smooth. I can move it around a bit. It just doesn't look very good. You can see that in the other images as well. What about the section analysis? Select the top face once again. Move the CSIS to cover it more. I mean, look at how rough that is. That's not what we want to see. So then let's go into Home. I'll do a fit. And I'm going to extract the geometry of this top face. Now I just have this sheet representing the top face. And in facet body from body, I can now take this top face and turn it into a parametric body. I'm now done with the extracted region. I'll hide the convergent body and turn on the original body. Now what I want to do is use synchronous modeling to offset this top face according to the Z vector. Let's do 4 millimeters. Bring that up. And bring up the convergent body. Now what I need to do is fit the surface. This is part of reverse engineering. And I have a sheet there. Now I'm going to trim it. And I don't want to trim to the exact amount. I want to extend the sheet to make it easier to trim. Bring the body back up. You can trim this body according to the sheet and hide that sheet. And now we have our new, much smoother surface. Let's run those same analysis tools, starting with reflection. I mean, look how much better that is. What we were hoping to see, this is now usable data, a lot smoother. Let's look at the section analysis. Same top surface. Very much smoother. This was definitely a success.